Hey, this is Corey with Eijkelkamp, and today we're going to be doing a couple quick steps for our modem in the office before we actually take it out and install it in our well. So when you open up your box for your modem, the first thing you're going to see is this instruction manual. Then you're going to find your actual modem, the Prime Plus for this one, some batteries, your antenna, and then this magnetic tool for when you're actually activating the modem. This is super important to have. It has a nice little keychain spot, so just go ahead and throw it in your keychain now so you can never lose it. So the first step that you need to do when you're actually starting up your modem for the first time is you're going to want to unscrew your modem, and then within it you're going to see a QR code and you're going to see a spot for the batteries. First thing you need to do, install your batteries. The minute you do that, you're going to start seeing some lights going at the top. Right now these lights don't matter. All you need to worry about is making sure your batteries are in, and then you're going to go right to scanning your QR code. So once you scan the QR code with your phone, it'll look like this up in the right hand corner, and that's when we're going to start doing some initial settings for your modem. So your wake up intervals are super important because that's going to be telling you exactly when the modem's going to wake up, grab the data. And then there's a send interval, which tells you, hey, I collected all the data from the day from every time I woke up. Now I'm going to send it out to the cloud so then you can get all that data and retrieve it. So once you get those things set up here in the office, go ahead and just put it all back together. Put it all back in your box. Don't forget about this blue magnet. And then let's go out to the field and actually install it.